Hi, everyone. I'm Dina Elsherif, founder and CEO of Trufacial. So today I'm going to talk to you about home devices. So now it is possible. You can achieve glowing results at home with our very first patented 3-step facial device. Our core team is very simple. I am the founder, CEO, the inventor behind Trufacial. Glenn Normal is our head of operations and retail. He was actually VP of Disruptive Labs at Hydrofacial at one point, CEO of NeoGraft, and now he's CEO of New Fabrics and is going to be working with us on Trufacial. Stephanie Quinn heads all our commercial marketing efforts, especially the direct-to-consumer. And Stephanie also held positions as area VP of sales at Hydrofacial, had her own cosmetic brand that she launched direct-to-consumer, had it in over 80 retail locations. And of course, I would not be here today without Grant Stevens. So thank you as one of our biggest advisors. So the at-home beauty dilemma. Today, consumers want convenience without compromise. So going into offices for facials demands time, scheduling, money, and those are all typically barriers from achieving your desired results, even if you actually want to go and get them. The busy lifestyles just, hold us back. Filling the gap for visible results. So up until now, there's truly no at-home device that delivers comparable results that you would get in an office from these facial devices. Consumers want, they want the glow and they want the technology. They want the accessibility, they want beauty on demand, they want to see results, and they want this access at their homes. So the Trufacial solution, this basically breaks into the home market, and it gives you a device that basically allows for convenience. You can do it anytime, anywhere. It's economical, fraction of the cost of what you would do at in an office, customizable with different serum types and different tips, professional results, and ease of use. So why Trufacial? We dreamed it, we designed it, we developed it, we patented it, and it's made in the USA. So with Trufacial, it is easy to use, it's safe and efficacious, it's durable, it offers longevity. We have utility patented tips and interchangeable pods so that you can mix and match. And it does have a true grade diamond tip that's comparable to what you would get in offices. The device is very simple to use. It's 3 steps, it's 10 minutes once a week. First step, you're refreshing your skin by using your diamond tip that will exfoliate, and you're pairing it up with an exfoliating serum. Second step is restoring the skin with a massaging tip that's paired with a brightening serum or an anti-aging serum. And then finally, you're renewing the skin with a microneedling dermal roller that's paired with a hyaluronic and hydrating serum. The serums are proprietary. We have unlimited options, and we're expanding into different brands. Why do consumers want Trufacial? What's their motivator? Based on our market research with a third party, the number one reason was not just convenience, but it was convenience at home. And the at home word is quite critical. The consumers loved having control over this in their own bathrooms, in their own homes. And the second one was anytime. So there's a difference between home and anytime, but those were the 2 top motivators. And ironically, which shocked me, the 5th reason was price. So they didn't care as much about price as they did about convenience. There is a high intent to buy. So when you're looking at the females from 30 to 49-year-olds, there's a 95% intent to buy for Trufacial. Some of our before and afters from some of our multi-center study. This is actually Dr. Jason Bloom himself with the Vizia. So you can see reductions in lines, wrinkles, UV damage, P. acne, brown spots, and more. Some more photos, again, reduction in redness. It helps with breakouts, acne, pigmentation. We've also done a hydration study with Dr. David Vasley, dermatologist out of Pennsylvania, and we were able to see that the skin is more hydrated after a Trufacial. We've also done ultrasound imaging to see what effects it has on the stratum corneum, and we were able to see that the stratum corneum is in fact actually a lot smoother after a treatment. Regulatory-wise, we have FDA registration as a Class 1 510K exempt medical device in the US. In Canada, we do have Health Canada approval as a non-medical cosmetic device, and we're working with the EU, UK, and then other global distributors. These are some real-life results from consumers that have taken pictures from their own home with their own iPhones, and you can just see a nice difference in the tone and texture and lines and wrinkles. This is the most favorite part of the consumers. So after you're done your treatment, you will clean and sterilize your device, and as you do that, any of the skin impurities, the dead skin, oil, makeup, everything that has been treated and has been sitting in the tubing gets basically washed out and goes into your little perch pods. And that's basically the aha moment that consumers know that their skin's pretty nicely cleaned. Early traction. So in 2024, we validated Trufacial in the professional channel, did our studies, and just worked very closely with our dermatologists and plastic surgeons. And in 2025, we're making that shift to go direct to consumer and in retail. And we've seen some very early traction. So in 2025, our goal as a company, because there isn't anything like this, is basically to adopt the whole Keurig model. And so our goal is to create exclusive partnerships with influencers, beauty and skincare brands, basically allowing for brand expansion opportunities. They do love the white label, private label for these pods. Just again, some of our early traction. These are just names you're pretty familiar with that we've signed contracts with, that they're interested in basically partnering up with Trufacial. And life with Trufacial is just more fun. People say that it's a cool gadget, it's a cool toy. They love having full control over their skin health, and basically they elevate their routine to another level. And as a thank you to Dr. Stevens and everybody else that's here at AIS, if you would like to try Trufacial, you can scan this QR code and basically save 30% off your system. Dr. Grant Stevens is telling me he's got 3 of them, so thank you.